In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install Scarlet on your iPhone without jailbreak and no computer. So this method is very simple and straight from the website. And if you guys don't know what Scarlet is, it's essentially a sideloading app that allows you to sideload any app that you want on your iOS device. So all you have to do is simply open up Safari, type in usescarlet.com in your Safari page, and make sure that you guys only type in this URL, as this is the official website for Scarlet. There are a bunch of websites that are acting like Scarlet, but if the domain does not say usescarlet.com, then just to be safe, I wouldn't trust it. Anyways, on this website, that's actually the developer's website, you're gonna scroll all the way down. And then you guys will see the install button here, and below that it should say signed. If it doesn't say signed, it may say something like revoked, and if it is revoked, then at that time you won't be able to download Scarlet. So do make sure that it does say signed. Anyways, you guys are just going to click on install, and then from here you guys are going to click on direct install. And I highly recommend that you guys do get an ad blocker as well, as sometimes you may get bombarded with ads on this website. And so the one that I'm using is actually AdGuard. So just go on to App Store and download AdGuard. Anyways, you guys will see open this page in iTunes, click open. And then it'll say bouncer.usescarlet.com would like to install Scarlet, click install. And then as you guys can see, it is loading, and just give it some time. And as you guys can see, it has now downloaded. So the Scarlet above it is actually the Scarlet that had the revoked certificate, since I did try this like about a week ago when the certificate was revoked and it wasn't working. But anyways, the one that we're now looking for is the Scarlet below. So if I tap on it below, it'll say untrusted enterprise developer. And all we really have to do is just trust the certificate. So you're going to go into settings, and then in settings, you're going to go into general, scroll down until you see VPN and device management. And then you guys are just going to click on the certificate that was stated on Scarlet, which for me was this one over here. And then you're just going to click trust. But if you guys do click trust, then you guys will have to restart. So I'll just be back when I do restart. And now once you guys have restarted, just open up the Scarlet app here. I also do want to mention that this method is with revokes. This can get revoked anytime. So if you guys want to see a video without revokes, then I will also leave a video in the top right for Scarlet Cloud. And with Scarlet Cloud, it does require a computer, but there's absolutely no revokes, meaning that the apps will never expire. Anyways, if you guys want to see more videos like this, please leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.